Hello again, this is Old Man PHP. I create PHP video tutorials for the old guys who want to learn a new skill and compete with the young crowd. This is my 5th video and I want to discuss more in the way of comments. It is going to be a short one. You can use 3 different special characters that tells PHP that this line is a comment and to avoid them, and it will look something like this. So we're gonna say //// this is a comment. See how that works? Just comment it out. You can also use this. Hardly anybody uses it. I mean, I do use it once in a while. This is a comment. Plus, you can put several lines in a comment and you have to use the /*. */ this opens it up, this closes it up, and you can put whatever you want. This is also a comment with multiple multi lines. And see, it's all comments. Now let's keep going. To display info, PHP has 2 basic ways to display information on the screen. We already saw the echo and we also saw print. Even we also saw printf. Let's get rid of that. All right, they both pretty much do the same thing. I mean, if you go echo I love PHP and you run it, you see it. Let's do a multi PR, I like it. And let's add same thing, but instead of using echo, we're going to use print. It will be, excuse me, it's time to eat. I love PHP. There you go. The echo prints in the prints. See, the thing is that the difference is that the echo just prints on the screen, so you'll get it right away, much faster, even if it's only milliseconds faster, but you get it much faster. And the print statement does the same thing, but also returns a value. It returns a value of 1, meaning true. So it can be used as an expression. So let's say we assign this to I don't know, AA, and we echo it. This is cool. It'll work. There you go. See that number 1 right there? Let's add the PR. And boom. See? Because, you know, I will have to say that the expressions are what makes building blocks of PHP. It's the most important thing. In PHP, almost everything you write is an expression. And its simplest term, anything that has a value is an expression, right? So I want to show you that we can check further by using an is numeric. You're going to see some of these things too. So if you say if, let's put this in print, this is also a function to check if it is a numeric, $AA. There you go. Ooh, what happened here? $AA. Let's give it a space. space there. Remember, if, for loops, functions, they all need that curly brace. We're going to say if it is, I want you to echo out dot. I'm going to say AA is numeric. That sounds okay. Well, how about this? Is a number. Now you can do, remember with the if statement, you either go one way or the other. You can even keep it at like this. That means if it does this, do that, but then it keeps going on with the next command. Like if you had a whole bunch of commands over here. But we also could split it in half. We could say if it's this and if not, then do this. We're going to say else. We're going to talk about that later too. We're going to bring this down. We're going to say echo is not. There you go. Let's copy. Boom. Li, see, AA is a number. Is a number. And if it's not a number, it does this one, but it is a number. So there you have it. Everything is an expression. Well, we reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learn more about what comments is. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This will help grow my channel. And on my next video, I will talk more about variables. We'll talk about PHP ini file and how to get the current user and how to get the PHP document root. Until next time, a good night.